What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create this 4D and also hyper realistic animation of the water like this. And as you can see, the animation is really stunning, beautiful and also tranquil. And surprisingly, to create this animation, you just need the AI and also there is certain prompt. You don't need any complicated software. And if you'd like to create this animation, let's say for your video asset, or if you'd like to make it as your first animation, or if you haven't had the software or the skills yet to create the animation, don't worry guys, because in this video I will show you the trick. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, surprisingly, to create this super realistic and stunning animation, you just need this Meta AI guys. And if you'd like to access it, then don't forget to do the login first with your email or through your Facebook account, since this Meta AI is still in the one management. And after that, this will be the home page of this Meta AI. Here you can also create or generate the image or transform the image into the short animation, or you can also transform the text into the animation, or you can also add something in general. And if you scroll down, you'll see a lot of animation that has been made by a lot of users. And how to create the animation, so you can just put your prompt into this section like this and click enter or send. And to create the animation from the text, this Meta AI will usually give you 4 samples of the animation video guys, and each of them will have the 5 seconds of the durations. So you can start to put your prompt, and I recommend you to give the short and also simple prompt. You don't need to put it into the very long script or the prompt. And after that, after waiting for maybe 30 seconds, and this animation is already made. You can select it and you can check it out. And also each of this animation can be extended into only 9 seconds duration guys. And if you see the settings here, you can also restyle it, let's say to become a robot until the fedora. And for example, if you like this one and can't wait until it will be showed up, and if you like it, then you can start to download it and it will officially saved into your device. And I will be also honest with you, if you use the same prompt, you can also have the possibility to have and also produce the a little bit different look of the animation, but still in one theme of this prompt, which is the realistic lake water animation. So this will be the animation you have. It looks very beautiful, stunning and also tranquil and also super realistic. So don't forget to create this animation into your Meta AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.